Hi, and thank you for joining us for 22 News at 6. I'm Nick Oresco. Baystate Health has eliminated more positions this week as they continue to work back from an operating loss. Now we are learning more about what these job cuts could look like and how they could affect you. 22 News reporter Claire Overton is live in Springfield this evening with a timeline of their most recent cuts.
Nick, since November 2024, Baystate Health has announced 3 rounds of job cuts, and they're all totaling up to 275 jobs eliminated. As a part of their transformational plan, Baystate Health has a goal to deliver core operational improvements of more than $225 million over the next 2 years. This comes after the healthcare company announced an operating loss of $300 million over the past few years. The first round of position eliminations began in November, cutting 134 leadership positions. However, they said it was less than 1% reduction of their workforce. Baystate Health said the change will, quote, improve efficiency, reduce cost without impacting bedside care, streamline decision-making, and better enable our caregivers. Less than 4 months later, Baystate Health announced another significant round of layoffs in February, 98 corporate positions, another less than 1% reduction of their workforce. Baystate said the first 2 rounds of cuts included leadership positions and corporate positions, but the most recent cuts were the, quote, most disruptive, saying they were selected to minimize the impact to direct patient care. Those cuts were announced on April 29th. Baystate saying 43 individuals will be leaving, but did not specify what the positions were when 22 News asked. Since November of 2024, the total workforce at Baystate has been reduced by 7%. However, they note that 60% of the total reductions were through resignations or retirements, after which the positions were eliminated. In all cases, Baystate said eligible members who are not transitioned to another position will receive severance pay and other job support, including access to career transition services. They also say the transformation will allow them to, quote, invest $1.2 billion back into our team members, renovations, growth, access, and our community over the next 6 years. And when 22 News asked, Baystate did not specify if this would be the end of job cuts. However, they did note that they have more work to do to achieve a sustainable financial transformation. Working for you live in Springfield, Claire Overton, 22 News.